Damien Dollar want more. Damien Diamond solving more. Vision clear, we rack 'em up, make 'em real intangibles.
Since as per Byron's request, last na yung awardings predictions sa mga finalists. Sige, let's go with the draft na. Siguro since that lang, siguro ano na lang, yung the same thing that we did with Rondo all-time draft. Point guard, shooting guard, small forward, up to the center. Tapos 6 man. Since 5 lang tayo.
Tatlo lang tayo, bay. Hindi tayo 5. Hindi tayo 5, pre. 3 lang tayo. Sila is nabubulol na, guys. Hindi na niya alam yung mga pinagsasabi. Ang ina. Sige,
I'm worried about, yung order.
Hindi.
Paano ba yung order?
Ganito na lang, pre. Gitna na lang. Heads or tails na lang kami ni Bay. Ikaw gitna.
Sige.
Ano ka, Bay? Heads or tails?
Heads.
Siri, pick heads or tails. It's tails. Nakalagay. Puta yan. Basta yan, it's tails. Sige. Last si Bay. Ako first, tapos Legend. Gitna. Gina ba tayo, mga kaibigan?
Game.
Prime to, di ba?
Prime. Same thing with Rondo. Basta same thing with Rondo.
Okay, dahil gusto ko lang asarin si Lige, first pick ko Derrick Rose. First pick ko Derrick Rose, Prime D Rose. Pistons boy.
Hindi naisip.
Ano bang klaseng Derrick Rose fan to?
Sige, unahin ka na.
Sino sa'yo, Lige?
Teka lang.
Pero bad pick, ha? Who?
Friend KD.
KD.
KD. Okay.
At may 3.
Okay.
Damn it. Hindi ko naisip yun na.
Okay lang. Hindi naman ikaw yung first pick. Okay lang yun.
Prime. James Harden. First pick. And then second pick, I'll go Grant Hill.
Ooh. Prime Grant Hill. Where the fuck did they play together? Clippers?
No, Clippers. Last year ni Grant Hill.
Okay.
Diba? I told you, this is a good idea. Pero you have to go for the point guard, bro. I'll get Chris Paul. Sige, di ko man nakuha si D-Rose. Sige, kunin ko na si Chris Paul.
Chris Paul. Sige. Star power lang. I'll go for star power. So at my 3, I will go with Jason Tatum. At my actually, hindi ko pa alam kung sino mag-start sa kanila, pero kukunin ko rin si Kyrie. Basta isa sa kanila off the bench. So may 6 man na ako. Ano na, Lige?
Inisip ako for the center.
Si Jalil Okafor. Si Wenyen Gabriel.
I'll go for... When you think about it, you only played for 4 teams. Pistons, Nets, and Celtics. Sige, I'll go pick this guy na kasi parang wala siyang masyadong centers magagaling. I'll go get Prime DeAndre Jordan.
Andre Jordan.
Okay. Sige.
Kunin ko LaMarcus Aldridge.
God damn it.
Then
fuck, yun yung next pick. Shit.
LaMarcus Aldridge. Tapos point guard ko. Actually, point guard ko lang kaya si Harden.
Sino?
Yeah, si Harden na lang siguro yung point guard ko.
Okay.
Tapos I get Paul Pierce. Offense lang ako. Pure offense.
Pure offense. Ganun din ginagawa ko kanina pa ba? Pure offense lang.
Paul Pierce?
Paul Pierce.
Shit. I'm pretty sure I'm missing someone.
Shit. Wait. Shit. Pagalan nyo. Shit. Wait lang. Where's the name? Shit. I lost the name.
Okay, so ang kulang ko na lang is 2 and 4.
Shit, I lost the name. Oh, fuck. God damn. Okay.
Mukhang panayan na to after first team. So, sige, fine. I'll get Prime Jamal Crawford, not my two.
Prime Jamal Crawford.
God damn it. Ano ba yung pick ko yun eh?
Siya? Si Jamal?
Oo. Wala akong dos eh. Okay. Smart thing to do for teammates of Kyrie and D Rose is to surround them with shooters. So, I'm gonna play small ball. I'm putting Jason Tatum at the 4. I'm putting JJ Redick and Hido Turkoglu at my 2 and 3. That is my 2 and 3. Wala pa rin akong big. Putang ina. Liit.
Yeah. May naisip ako, Matt. Pero, hindi ko naman tutuunin. So,
hindi, actually may naisip ako pang trip lang. Pero sige, mamaya na yan.
It's kinda hard. Wait. Sino yung pinili mo, Matt?
JJ and Hido.
Okay. I'll just, confirm lang.
May ano pa, may Thonmaker pa kung gusto mo. Ang daming naging guardian teammate nito si Blake ah. Nakita ko lang. Mga prime guards.
Sige, I'll pick this muna. Ayusin ko lang muna yung lineup ko na lang dito. I'll go pick Chauncey Billups. Because according to sources, he was in the Clippers pala noong 2000.
Yes.
So,
Chauncey Billups.
Okay. Center ko, gusto ko yung may love threat. So, I'm gonna go Kenyon Martin.
Buti na lang. Okay.
Tapos, sixth man ko, I'll go Baron Davis.
Damn.
Okay, buti na lang.
And DD. Dogs.
Damn. Okay. Matt Barnes na lang kulang.
Okay, center. Clutch! Give me prime, center. PF. Kasi, may ano naman siya, may tres naman siya. Prime Al Horford.
Oh, shit. Oo nga, hindi ko nakita yun ah. Fuck.
Tapos may 6-man ba tayo?
Kayong dalawa, may 6-man pa?
Hindi, tapos na.
Tapos na si Bay. Tapos ka na, Lige. Kagi. Last pick na rin ako eh.
Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang. Chris Paul, Chauncey, KD. Oh, man, no shit. 6-1 kasi yan, Chauncey.
Ito pre. Kailangan ng team, every team needs a very good big man, a very physical big man. Ano? At hindi ko naman kailangan ng offense sa big. Gusto ko lang pang trip to. So I'm picking Zaza Pachulia. Zaza Pachulia.
He was right there, Matt.
Si Drummond?
Isa pa yun.
Sino isa pa?
Jaylen Brown.
Sino?
Jaylen Brown?
Sentro kailangan ko.
Julia, puta.
Anong gagawin ko? Sa sentroin ko si Tatum? Kukunin ko si Brown? Ano yun?
Drummond? Ano si Drummond?
Wala, gusto ko mapanakit eh.
Hindi lang pala.
Gusto ko mapanakit.
Anyways.
Maraming sentrong memorable dito. Andre Drummond. Tapos may Spencer Hoss pa.
Lamar Odom.
Lamar Odom, he's not really a center though.
Stretch. Sige, let's skim through na lang yung mga teams natin.
Okay. Do I go first? Or do you go?
Sige.
Okay, so I have... Shit, ang hirap na ito. Okay, I'll start D-Rose. And then I have JJ Redick. I have Hedo Turkoglu at the 3. Jason Tatum at the 4. Off the bench is Kyrie. And then my MVP is Zaza Pachulia at the 5.
Okay, tapos sa akin naman, I started Chris Paul at the 1. You know what? I'll put Chauncey at 2. Tapos KD ko 3. I'll 4-4. That 4-5 ko is DeAndre. Fittingly, Jamal Crawford ko 6 man. It has to be the best team, di ba?
Wala kayo Zaza Pachulia eh.
One ko si Harden. 2 ko si Grant Hill. 3, Paul Pierce. 4, Aldridge. 5, si Kenyon Martin. 6 man, Baron Davis.
Bagal ng team mo ba ya?
Siyempre, slow down to. 90s basketball to 90s basketball.
Bagal ng team mo puta.
Anyways, comment down below guys na lang kung who was the better Blake Griffin all-time teammate.
Bakit dapat pala kinuha mo si Glenn Davis? Bagay na bagay yun sa team mo. Gusto mo pala mabagal eh. Glenn, big baby.
Ano ba eh? Ano Matt? Kristaps?
Naging teammate ba niya si Kristaps? Hindi naging teammate si Kristaps ah.
Di ba? No, I mean, di ba
kasi... lang si Kristaps, di ba?
Pero di ba lineup naman si Griffin sa ano?
He was a free agent.
Anyways.
We would just want to shout out one of our sponsors for our podcast. We've partnered with Pinas Forward. If you guys don't know Pinas Forward, basically it's a non-partisan, non-profit organization committed to enhancing democracy and promoting progressive societal advancements through digital-driven data and innovations in the Philippines. And this advocacy group strives to foster a technologically proficient, socially conscious, and morally guided Philippines through innovation grassroots strategies. And their commitment involves creating initiatives such as eBoto, which is a web-based digital democracy research ecosystem. And for further details, make sure to follow their programs and activities in all of their social media channels. They can be found in Instagram, Twitter, and as well as Facebook. So follow them, guys.
Okay, so ayan. So moving on sa favorite section ni Bay. Ayun nga. So as you guys all know, linabas na yung finalists for all of the awards in the NBA. It was today lang, April 24, Philippines, na award na yung MIP, and the winner is Tyrese Maxey. The other candidates were Kobe White, Alperen Şengün. Sige, I'll skip to everything. Sa MVP, Luka Doncic, Nikola Jokic, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander.
Yes, sir. That's my MVP. That's my MVP.
I need help from Matt. Yung coach ng OKC, Mark
Daigneault. Yeah, si Mark Daigneault.
Tapos, Orlando Magic. Isa pa yun.
Jamal Mosley.
Ayan. Tapos,
Chris Finch. Minnesota.
Sixth man, Malik Monk, Bobby Portis, andAz Reed. Tapos, Defensive Player of the Year, Bam Adebayo, Rudy Gobert, Victor Wembanyama. Rookie of the Year, Victor Wembanyama, Chet Holmgren, Brandon Miller. Who else am I missing? Clutch Player of the Year? Yeah, Clutch Player of the Year.
Meron na bang clutch player?
DeMar DeRozan, Steph Curry, at saka SGA.
Ay! SGA!
Okay, let's go with it muna. Unahan muna natin yung clutch player of the year. Honestly, I don't know ano yung pasihan nila dito. Pero
clutch points for alam ko may stats na ganun eh. Parang may clutch point Na parang after yung parang last 2 minutes, parang clutch points.
Yun lang.
Ewan.
Hindi sana, ano pang nominee doon? Nominate mo sa kanila.
Hindi ko alam. J-Dub.
Yeah, Steph.
J-Dub is actually
So,
part of that. Supposed to
who
be.
do you think is gonna win?
Shay.
SGA?
Like
How about you, Matt?
that's no bias. I think she's gonna win just because
How
I
about
mean
you, Bay?
clutch.
Steph.
Steph?
Ako
Yeah.
rin. Ayaw.
This year?
Parang,
This year. Siya
parang,
naman din
parang for some
reason.
reason, parang fan voting lang tong
Yung clutch player sa'yo.
If it was a legitimate award,
Search ko nga.
siguro SGA.
The
Siguro
award.
SGA na yung nanalo.
Ang go
Pero
fourth
parang
quarter
feeling
point
ko
si Steph. Si Steph nag-lead. I'm not sure Kasi dito ako nag-follow. It's not an award that I think of highly.
It's very new. Okay. Hindi ko alam. It is the Jerry West Trophy Jerry West Trophy pala yun. Hanip.
No.
I don't
Ano ba ito? Nudge ko.
One possession game. Ito. While clutch time begins at 5-minute mark of a 5-point game, we have the ability to break the data down further to look for specific game situations. Below is a comparison of how each of the Kia clutch finalists is compared in various clutch situations. A one possession game, ahead or behind by 3 points or less in the final 3 minutes. What the fuck are these? A one possession game, ahead or behind by 3 points or less in the final minute, and a one possession game while tied or trailing in the final 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Ano ito? The CBS. Making the case for Curry CC. Okay na din. Ayan. Basihan ko. He's the league leader in clutch points with 165. He's made 28 3-pointers na clutch. Siya daw
I have no idea. I don't no idea how to base this off.
Yeah.
Don't mind bilang na kumakain kasi ako. Pero anyways, now that Steph ako. Parang lalaw. That feeling.
Wala, di ko alam yung basihan.
Siguro, Coach of the Year. I think it's gonna win.
Mark Daigneault. Alam ko siya yung highest voted ngayon eh.
Daigneault din ako.
Like even
if I would pick.
You're just a hater. You're just a hater.
The Thunder made to play in last year. They had their supposed to be star rookie from last year. They added guys. So they're supposed to be improving. The Magic, nagulat ako na nag-15 sila.
They're supposed to be improving. They have all their young guys. They just got their number 1 pick.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, pero mas maganda lang yung ginawa ng Thunder.
But they were there last year. They were in the plane last year. The Magic, wala sila at all last year. They didn't, may dragdag ba sila? Wala silang dragdag eh.
Alam mo, ganito lang yung Byron. Looking at it. Ano ba Orlando season last year?
Ko lang, I just want to say, mas mataas yung in-improve ng Orlando compared to OKC.
Teka lang, anong standing ng Orlando last year? 15th ba sila?
13th.
They got what? 15. Ilang position yun? 13.
Parang
inangat nila? Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. It's like the same thing that they...
But they didn't have until now, they don't have a first team All-NBA guy that they had last year.
That's their fault.
Yeah, it's the coaches. You give the credit to the coach.
No.
They give credit to the coach.
They went up 8 roster. They went up 8 standings. Thunder went up 9. It's the same thing.
Ito yung...
Sige nga, I'll let you guys argue with each other.
Ayaw kasing tanggapin ni Byron na gusto niya sumuport sa Thunder.
Magic na ako. I mean,
did you expect
the Magic to be in the playoffs?
I don't know about the East. That's the point.
Yeah, I thought that they would be like 13, 14. Kala ko ganun pa rin yung magiging record nila. Wala silang dinagdag eh. Wala silang dinagdag at all.
Ikaw ang nagsabi na hindi nga papasok ng playoffs Thunder tapos number 1 seed
At
sila.
11.
Exactly, and they're number 1. That's the point.
They added Chet. They still have their star with SGA. The Magic doesn't have anything.
They have their star with Paolo.
Second year guy, yun yung star nila.
Bakit? Luka din naman may second year guy din yun pero star siya. Pre, tanggapin mo na lang. Supportahan mo naman Thunder paminsan-minsan.
Magic nga. No bias. Magic yung coach of the year ko. Talk about coach.
Yeah, I'm talking about coach. What do you mean?
The Thunder is way more talented. The Magic, they're not talented.
I don't think you can see it evidently right now. Even like Phoenix, talented but they're not there. These guys from the Thunder are these guys are young guys. They're young guys that were 10th seed and you yourself didn't expect them to make the playoffs, even the play-in, and now they're the number 1 seed.
But
you're telling me that doesn't deserve the
The Magic doesn't. I'm not talking about na mas magaling ang Thunder, but talking about the coach. The coach of the Magic made a better...
Okay, ganito na lang. May opinion kami dalawa ni Byron, pero narinig ko lang na magaling yung Thunder. Okay na ako. Sige na, next. Narinig ko na. Okay na.
Okay na. Gusto ko sumali. Gets ko naman yung point ni Bay. Sasabihin ko lang mananalo si Mark Daigneault. Pero, I think yung sasabi kasi ni Bay is, when you look at it at face value, mas yung roster build-up ng team. Kasi expect mo na makakapasok ng playoffs yung ano kasi. What they call this? OKC. Pero at the same time, they both improved. Pero when you think about it kasi, you wouldn't think about those all of those stuff kasi na you would say na mas mahina yung team ng Magic. It's just that ang mapapansin nila is the fact na the OKC was able to get that number 1 seed sa stacked West. Diba? So I think yun yung pagbabasya nila mostly, which is why I think Mark Daigneault's gonna win it.
Amen.
Anyways, sino pa ba next? 6-1.
Sino yung 6-1?
Malik Monk. Naz Reid, Bobby Portis.
Naz Reid.
Bobby Portis ako. I said this last time.
Naz Reid ako. I support Naz Reid.
Bobby Portis.
Malik Monk dapat hindi siya na-injured.
Malik Monk kung hindi siya na-injured. Malik Monk.
Westbrook nga talaga ako hindi siya na-injured eh. Pero Bobby Portis consistent eh. He was there, I think, I'm not sure kung may na-miss siyang game. Yun hindi ko sigurado. I think healthy siya buong season. I think he played 82 games. Kung hindi 82 games, I think he played close. So he was really reliable, especially with Giannis missing some games, Brook Lopez missing some games. Bobby Portis was their second most reliable guy in that team. So that's why I got Bobby Portis.
Naz Reid lang talaga eh. I don't know. I just want to say Naz Reid. Ito lang, malikmang ako eh. Pero, gusto ko si Naz Reid eh. Mas maganda yung laro niya sa akin.
Okay, so, what else do we have? MIP. Ito na lang ba? Defensive player, MVP, at saka Rookie of the Year?
So, nasagot ko dyan.
MVP na lang muna. Sige, MVP na lang muna. MVP. Luka Doncic. Jokic. SGA.
Jokic, easy.
I just don't know if the narrative will line up na bibigyan nila ng 3 straight yun, pero hindi naman na straight.
Bibigyan nila. Kung hindi nag-champion last year si Jokic, baka hindi. Pero nag-champion, you know that he's really one of the greatest players to ever play. So I think they're gonna give this one.
Jokic.
Luka talaga eh.
Ayaw bitawan.
Hindi. I wasn't biased. Bibigyan nila kay Jokic. Pero Luka talaga eh. Anyways, Sige, punta na tayo sa favorite niya na bike. Rookie of the Year muna. Rookie of the Year.
Victor.
MB. Okay.
Next.
Ayun, ito na. The most exciting part. Okay, so D-Boy, who do you think? Ito lang. Gobert, Wemby. All due respect kay Bam. Pero Bam's putting good defensive numbers. I think ibigay nila yun kay Gobert. Pero just hear me out. If yung record
Sino
never
makikinig
really
sa'yo, Lars?
matters.
Sino makikinig sa'yo? Who will hear you out? Wala. Tayo na si Gobert makakakuha
I
niya kahit
think
anong gusto
the
niya.
fact na D-Boy is an individual award. I mean, yung sinasabi nila na no player will be afraid of Rudy Gobert the same way they are afraid of Wemby. The fact na meron silang open layup tapos nakita nila they're being trailed by Wemby. I don't think Gobert has that the same defensive factor. Kahit sabihin mo, hindi naman statistical yun. If you want statistical, mas mataas defensive rating ata ni Gobert, if I'm not mistaken.
He sits at the paint.
Pero for a team that's really bad at defense, if Wemby's playing on the court kasi, the Spurs have the fifth best defensive. What do you call this? They have the fifth best defense if Wemby's on the court. And like I said, defense is an individual award. And you could say from that stat alone, si Wemby mismo yung what they call this, yung pasimuno nun. Which is why I think may argument na Wemby can win it. So it's just that history, wala eh. Ang, what they call this, pabor ang history kay Gobert because nobody
Gobert's
won
gonna get it.
defensive player of the year outside sa playoff team.
Gobert's gonna get it. Just because that's the NBA.
Who do you think's a better defender?
I think Wemby should win it. I think he should. But he's not going to.
Nako lang. I think
Because that's how the NBA is. They're not gonna give him the D-Boy. Maybe next year if he plays the same.
Yung vote ni Early Johnson si Wemby Yun yung alam ko.
Sino si Eddie Johnson?
Ernie
Johnson.
Ernie Johnson. Si ano rin? Si Chris Broussard. Uy, dalawa na yan.
Dalawa na yan.
Make your case by nakasuot ka ng jersey and everything.
It should be Victor Wembanyama. Alam, the NBA does this, does that. But when you're having a historical season, like the one they gave Russell Westbrook, giving him the MVP, even though he's a 6 seed, ginawa kay Jokic 2021, I think, basta mababa yung season nila, tapos binigay sa kanya yung MVP. Victor Wembanyama is having a historical season defensively. I think being the best defender and the best defensive team would matter if they were really that close as individual defenders. But I think Wemby is just way better. First, Gobert, you would not trust him to switch on a smaller guard. Wemby, I would be okay with it, with him guarding perimeter players. I don't think Gobert has that ability. Kaya ako rin talaga mas pinili si AD kaya sa kanya. Even though AD got cooked by Jamal. Pero I believe that they have that ability to close out, to defend perimeter, to switch out to perimeter guards. Yun hindi talaga pwedeng gawin ni Gobert. And stats alone, Wembanyama's crushing Gobert. Parang may nakita akong stats na he has more blocks this year than Gobert had in 2 years or in 3 years, parang ganon. So defensively, the Spurs are just trash. But Wemby himself, Wemby's him, you know. Wemby is that defensive god. So dapat Victor Wembanyama, he should be that guy. He should be the D-boy. I don't care what the record he has. He should be the defensive player of the year.
Do you think he'll actually win?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't mind if he doesn't. Ang importante sa akin is he makes all defensive first team.
I think he's gonna make that.
He's gonna make it now because he's in the finalists.
Yun
Hindi
yung
man
importante
pero
sa akin. Pero at the same time, it would be great, di ba, kung siya yung nanalo. Kasi ano eh, even though, alisin mo yung, I mean, kahit i-highlight mo yung team record, may ano naman eh, may justifications
tsaka,
pa rin naman.
alam naman natin na all-in ng NBA na i-push si Wemby. Na i-push yung legacy ni Wemby. Start na natin yan. Simulan na natin. I mean, we already rigged the draft by giving him to the Spurs. Let's just do it. We have the
Ba, ito
D-boy.
na lang.
Ah.
Para kiligin ka. Para, ano ba tawag dito, sulit yung suot ng jersey mo. In our minds, Gobert, pero in our hearts, Wemby. Boom! Yun lang.
Wemby talaga ako. Heart and mind.
Hindi, bahala kayong dalawa dyan.
Ay, magaling talaga si Gobert. Pero, defensively, mas maganda si Wembanyama.
Lintik kasi nasuhan yan.
And with that, Lige,
Ano, that's, ano ba? That's all.
so kakain na si Lige,
Um,
manonood na si Byron ng Inside the NBA.
Hmm.
Ako, magre-relax na ako sandali kasi tapos na requirements ko at kagraduate na ako sana, hopefully, God bless. At
ako rin naman, Matt. Pagpalain mo rin naman ako, Matt. Parang hindi
sa-
tayo magkasama ever since 16 years, ha?
sana mag-graduate kami lahat. And ayun, pagdasal nyo kami.
Amen.
And I hope you had fun watching this pod. Please comment down below your thoughts on everything that we've talked about. The draft, the players who will win the awards, anything on your mind. And please let us know what you would like to see in the other videos. With that, peace out, stay safe, God bless.